I took my mom's to a pottery date. This happens in Chandigarh at Buns. It's a Sitco approved cafe that also does therapeutic pottery sessions that you can dine in and have a pottery date, have a pottery sessions till your order comes in, and you can even enjoy and sip in on your coffees or whatever drinks that you want and can just enjoy the pottery because it's so therapeutic. And plus I took both my moms, it's my mom and my best friend's mom, because I know their love for pottery. They've always loved growing plants, all that you can enter into their houses and you can see plants all over. That's because they just love plants. They love ceramics, they love new potteries. They just discuss about new plants, what to grow, when to grow, where to grow. They even go places and just steal whatever plants, whatever flowers they like, and they just make sure that they grow them at their houses. And I knew these smiles are for real because I know their love.
ऐसे मार रहे हो उसमें, ऐसे नहीं, नाखून हमारा हाथ ऐसे थोड़ा ऊपर प्रेस कीजिए ऊपर की तरफ। हाथ सूखे नहीं रहने चाहिए, बार बार पानी लेना है, मेरे डालने से नहीं होगा यहाँ।
There's this guy who's expert in pottery who teaches you how to build in from these the mud that he gets. It's a special pottery clay that he gets. It's a mud with just like the clay that we play with, and he teaches you how to do it. So he taught my mom how to take the placements out of it, how to keep the hands, what shapes to give. He had so many ideas that he just laid in front of us, and he showed us how and when and where to go from, how to give it shapes, when to give water to it. It was just so amazing. Plus your hands on that clay and then you glide it in front, the hands that go, it's just so therapeutic. It's just like a therapy session. It makes you keep calm. So my mom here just ways that she was thinking that she could keep in her veranda, and she could paint it, graves on it. She could do everything. She's loving it. We were amazed at how the shape came out to be. We were so amazed that it was so perfect that it came out.
बड़ा करना है,
नहीं प्रेस करना है, बड़ा प्रेस।
ऐसे डीप करना, अगर हमको छोटा करना है ना तो यहाँ से ऐसे डीप करना, ऐसे प्रेस करना पड़ेगा।
बस हो गया। अभी नीचे से कैसे उठाना है?
जैसे तो धागे से टूटेगा, आप हाथ हटाओ। अभी तो जैसे ये पूरा बड़ा है, नीचे से भी चौड़ा है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि कारीगरी नहीं है।
There he showed us how to pull it, how to take it off from the plate just by a thread. He made sure that it was perfect from the above, and he just took it out by 2 fingers and this thread. It just came out to be so perfect. The smile makes it all worth it. Now it was turn of my second mom, and she loves it too, and see what she makes out of it.
बहुत अच्छा बन गया, बस 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 सुंदर बन रहा है। थोड़ा सा बड़ा करना पड़ेगा इसको, ऐसे ही अंगूठे से अंदर से करना, अभी भी आगे कर सकते हो अंगूठे से भी ना, नहीं नहीं बस बस बस, ज़्यादा एकदम से थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करना होता है। अब ये पूरा तैयार हो चुका है, इसमें कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है कुछ भी चीज़ का। हम इसको चेंज करेंगे तो ये टूट जाएगा।
टूट जाएगा।
Here we were laughing on what shape that she made. It just looked like a bowl, and we love her dal pakwan. So I was telling her you can keep dal in it, and we can eat pakwan with it. Here the bhaiya also showed us that he also paints these, and he can also crave some numbers on them, some digits, your names, so they can remember who made what. Now it was time that I could do my skill. Let's see what I do. Haha, funny enough. I miserably failed at my first attempt, but then I knew where to take it, how to take it, and I could now figure out where to keep my fingers, which hand I could take to support these. Let's see what I make out of it. Haha.
सही है प्रोसेस उनका। कैंडी दबाइए ऊपर नीचे, बस बस हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल लगेगा। अगर आप शेप ऐसे लेके आए हो ऊपर तक लेके,
My second attempt, I made a topri out of it. It just looked like a katori. I could eat the dal pakwan with. So I could keep my dal in it. And then it was so funny that I had big nails at that time. So all the mud was all in my nails. I could not even support it. So Bhaiya was helping me figure out, and I made a katori out of it. And I just loved how it turned out. I made a donga. Woo! So my moms were showing that the bhaiya had painted. It's not actually painted. They bake it at his house, and they turn black. And there were few that he painted. We made a happy picture. We ate. We talked. We gossiped, and had a happy picture to end it. Love it.